Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
Ishika.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kavansh.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning, Sachin. आज हमें क्या करना है बच्चों? What we have to start today?
मैम ज्योग्राफी के क्वेश्चन आंसर कर रहे थे.
पूरे नहीं हो पाए थे?
नो मैम.
Okay. So let us wait for everyone to join.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Aryan beta. We were on which question, Sachin?
मैम बर्नी.
Huh?
मैम थर्ड या फोर्थ पे थे.
मैम
फोर्थ वाले.
Third का?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. बड़ी स्ट्रगल करके
मैम
आप
सेकंड का
सेकंड
नहीं
का
मैम, मुझे लगा पहले अपना आपने सुना नहीं.
सुन गया था बेटा. सेकंड के फोर्थ में है लैंड अंडर कल्टीवेशन हैज गॉट रिड्यूस्ड डे बाय डे. कैन यू इमेजिन इट्स कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस? दिस वन. बेटा दिस
यस
वन.
मैम.
यस मैम.
ओके.
सेकंड का थर्ड हो.
Fine. Who is going to answer this question? Beta. Kavyansh will tell. Bhumika will tell.
We can tell 2 points.
Okay, 2 points. Very good. So before you start, let me take your attendance.
Ma'am, increase in price of food.
Oh, increase in price of food. Very good. What else?
Ma'am, there can be shortage.
Shortage. Okay. What else?
Ma'am, which one do we have to tell?
Beta, we are doing question answers. Exercise 2, fourth part.
Yes, ma'am.
Ishika.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes. Ishika, answer this question.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Let Ishika try.
Yes.
हाँ इशिका बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, may I?
चलिए बताइए भूमिका.
Yes, ma'am. In shortage of food, the rise in price of food, rise in employment, and imports increase will put stress on the economy.
ठीक है. What else?
I know this much.
Only this much?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Yes. बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, unemployment and loss of livelihood for farmers.
ठीक है. शॉर्टेज ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स बताया काव्यांश ने. फिर बताया कि लॉस ऑफ जॉब्स मतलब लॉस ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट फॉर द फार्मर्स. व्हाट एल्स? Agro based industries will be affected by this. Niharika,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
agro based industries will be affected.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Shortage of food, of raw material for agro-based industries.
Yes. What else? I think 4 points are more than sufficient.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next question. Can
Yes,
anybody
ma'am.
compile all these points into one? Niharika, will you compile all these points?
Yes, ma'am.
करो. करो, compile करो.
Ma'am, food shortage for increasing population, first point. Second point,
बोलो.
ma'am, second point, shortage of food, of raw material for agro-based industries, and employment and loss of livelihood for farmers.
ठीक है. Then because हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
Rise in crops.
Agro-based industries.
हाँ. There will be
Ma'am,
food,
economy,
there will be crisis of food security. Yes, Ajit.
ma'am, economy will also fall down.
हाँ, they got. Of course,
And
the
rise
affected.
rise in increase for the
कंप्लीट तो करो बेटा. निहारिका, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है हमको बच्चे. Akshat is not part of the class. Akshat,
Yes, ma'am.
are you not there?
Yeah, ma'am.
बताओ. बेटा इतना टाइम लगाओगे एक आंसर को कंपाइल करने में बच्चे? हाँ चलो. So I am compiling all the points that you people have told. First point, you said that there will be downfall in the production of food crops. Second, the agro-based industries will be affected. Third, there will be food crisis in the country. Fourth point, farmers will use more of chemical fertilizers to produce commercial crops. Fifth point, you can write that
Rise in unemployment.
there will be rise in unemployment for the farmers. And sixth point, you can write that many farmers, they may migrate to cities in search of jobs. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Next question. Suggest the initiative taken by the government to ensure the increase in agricultural production. Batao. Who will tell this answer, Akshat? Huh?
I can try.
Yes, you can try.
The government of India embarked upon introducing agricultural reforms to improve Indian agriculture in the 1960s and 1970s.
How?
The Green Revolution, based on the use of packaged technology, and the White Revolution were some of the strategies initiated to improve a lot of Indian agriculture.
ठीक है. और?
And therefore, in the 1980s and 1990, the Comprehensive and Development Program was initiated, which included both institutional and technical reforms. Provision of crop insurance against drought, flood, cyclone, fire, and disease, the establishment of Grameen Bank,
ठीक है.
cooperative society and banks
Very
for
good.
providing loan facilities to the farmers at lower rates of interest
Very
were
good.
some important steps in the direction.
ठीक है. Very good. Very good. You can also write. I'll show you from where. See, you can write from here. Considering the importance of agriculture in India, the government of India made concerted efforts to modernize agriculture, establishment of Indian councils from here up till improving, were given priority for improving Indian agriculture. This can be one point. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
This can be one point. Then you can write from here, Kisan credit card, page 43, left hand side, last paragraph. Kisan credit card, personal accident insurance scheme are some other schemes introduced by the government of India for the benefit of the farmers. Then special weather bulletins and agricultural programs for farmers were introduced on the radio and television. Government also announces minimum support price, remunerative and procurement prices for important crops to check the exploitation of farmers by speculators and middlemen. Then you can also write that provision for crop insurance against drought, flood, cyclone, fire, disease, establishment of Grameen banks, cooperative societies and banks for providing loan facilities to the farmers up till important step in this direction. These 3 points could be written for this answer. Am I clear? Am I clear, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Fine. Now coming to the next question. Importance of, describe the geographical conditions required for the growth of rice. Describe the geographical conditions required for the growth of rice. Class? Beta, where have everyone disappeared?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बताओ बेटा, इसका आंसर बताओ. राइस की जोग्राफिकल कंडीशंस क्या है?
Ma'am, uh, they need good rain.
It is kharif crop.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, and rice is a kharif crop grown in plains of North and Northeast India.
ठीक है.
And its high temperature requires above 20 Celsius and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeter.
ठीक है.
It grows with the help of irrigation via canals and tubewells.
ठीक है. Very good. That's all. Question answers all. Tell me, have I given you flowcharts for this chapter? I think in the beginning of the chapter only we did the flowcharts.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Then it is fine. Now tell me, civics chapter is complete. Beta, civics chapter is complete.
We have to.
Yes, ma'am.
We need to do the question answers for that chapter. Class, please answer quick.
Yes, ma'am.
Question answers we have to do. So let us do question
Yes,
answers. Let us do the question answers of civics. Huh? Let us go back. Wait. You all have books with you, class?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
Beta, civics question answers we are doing. Chapter is
Yes.
complete. Chapter is
Yes,
complete. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
One flowchart I shared with you. From that flowchart only I taught you. So that flowchart you need to draw in the notebooks, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Chapter 2 question answers are done.
Yes, ma'am. This chapter was done. These questions.
Okay, let us do one thing. We have two flowcharts for this chapter as well, except for that one that I did with you. One more is there.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us do it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Haan. Be ready with your books, notebooks, sorry. See, this is the first flowchart that you need to draw. Please draw it, class. Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, जल्दी जल्दी से बेटा ड्रॉ कर लीजिए बेटा इसको. बेटा हो गया?
No, ma'am.
चलिए
No,
करिए करिए.
ma'am.
कोई नहीं, कर लो. बेटा डन?
1 minute, ma'am.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. बेटा दूसरे पे आ जाएं.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
दूसरा वाला कर लो, ये दूसरा वाला है. Yeah.
Ma'am, done.
Fine. Now see, these are the two flowcharts. We are left with very less time. So third and the fourth flowchart we will do in the next class that we will have. Right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, class?
Yes,
And-
ma'am.
Yes.
Fine. Any doubts in the civics chapter that you have?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fine. Let us do civics question answers. Exercises, short exercises that we have.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check. Yes. Can you see the screen, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us do it quickly. Seventh question. When we speak of gender divisions, we usually refer to which option will be correct for it? Which option goes with it? Vishesh, sorry, Bhumika? बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, A option.
Biological differences between men and
Woman.
women. ठीक है. Next, in India, seats are reserved for women in
Ma'am, Panchayat Raj bodies.
Panchayati Raj bodies. Option D.
Bodies.
Consider the following statements on the meaning of communal politics. Communal politics is based on the belief that